There's been some loose talk in these parts about trolls, that they're made out of garbage and Brussels sprout mould. Some say that at night you can see their eyes glow, but where do they come from? How much do we know? Well, we know that their skin is as green as a sneeze, and their manners fall well below knobbly knees. They eat cockroaches peppered with nasty old germs, Kentucky fried spiders and southern fried worms. They live with their stink bugs in underground caves. They squelch when they belch and keep kittens as slaves. Some say they have spotted them dotted or striped. There are 25,004 different types. There's the snotster, the nosepicker, sulky and brat, the dribbler, the gobbler and spitty McSplat, slopsucker, bottom-face, slimy Magoo, and slippers McMaggots, to name but a few. But what nobody wants to let anyone know is that trolls were all children a long time ago. It's easy to make one if you know what to do. All you need is a child just like you. First turn upside down and shake out the good manners. Now squeeze out the kindness and tighten with spanners. It's important they never say thank you or please. They do not wash their hands, so are full of disease. Now replace their sweet voices with whispers instead. Make sure they stay up when they should be in bed. Mix in a few grunts, a chortle and snort, the splash of a whine and a cheeky retort. Then pepper with sugar and sprinkle bad habits. Do not give them broccoli, cabbage, or carrots. Just stuff them with chocolates, ice cream, and sweets. It won't be too long till they lose all their teeth. They cannot take a bath and should never have showers. Just leave them in front of the telly for hours. Till their eyes turn yellow from staring at screens, they'll forget how to play, they'll forget how to dream. Add a stamp of 2 feet and the slam of a door, some crocodile tears, a tantrum, a roar. Then throw in a dash of the naughtiest words, a few jars of old bogey, use 2 2/3. If they're biting their fingers, then throw in the nails. A dribble of drool will turn skin into scales. Then watch as the hair grows out of their toes, and they'll slowly turn green from picking their nose. Now that your troll is almost complete, they shall bumble about the place dragging their feet. So garnish with laziness properly stewed, a tablespoon full of the grumpiest mood. Soon they'll forget they are children at all. They'll stare into space or just stare at the wall. Now all that is left is to give them a name, like Mudskipper Snark or Orangutan Brain. Sloppy Face, Stroppy Chops, Grumble or Scowl, Lady Muck Savage or Farty Miss Fowl. Now treat them with barbecued blue-bottle flies, pasta with earwigs and centipede pies. Voila! Now your child is an ill-behaved troll. They can live with the stink bugs in underground holes. You can visit them there if you don't mind the cold, and they'll never again have to do what they're told.